Hi friends, in earlier videos we were looking on like how we declare variables and how do we get input from the users, right? Then you must be wondering that is there any way to declare multiple variables in one line or to get two or more or multiple inputs, right? Then let's start and let us see whether Python gives us any Python does allow us or it doesn't allow us to assign a value to multiple variables at one line, and whether it allows us to take multiple inputs, right? Let's see. So earlier in the beginning what we used to do was, suppose I'm writing a variable x equal to, and I'm putting some fruit name, so it will be an orange, then y will be a banana, and z will be something called cherry. And if I want to print these, I will simply write print x, then print y, and print z, right? And what I used to, if I execute it, I'll get orange, banana, and cherry. Okay, I'll put B as capital for banana. Then suppose I want to write all these three variables in a single line, means multiple variables in a single line. What will I do? What I will do is, suppose I will give x comma y comma z equal to, now I'll give some person name. I'll give Ram, I'll give Sham, and Sita. Okay, so I gave three names: Ram, Sham, and Sita. All three are respective names. So I gave three names, and I will again print these values. We'll execute it. So now you can see orange, banana, cherry. Then it came Ram, Sham, and Sita. I have changed the variables names. Okay. So what happens is, suppose I have given it in a line x, then y, then z. So the values which I'll be denoting to x, y, or z should be in the same order. So first it was x, then Ram should be denoted to x. Then it was y, Sham should be denoted to y. Then it was z, Sita will be denoted to z. So in this manner, you can put three different or multiple variables and then denote their values respectively. So that is one way. What can be the other way? Suppose I want to use x and I will allocate x as y, means x will be equal to y, then y will be equal to z, okay, and z will be equal to a fruit name called apple. Okay, so what is happening now? Z is taking a value, means variable z is equal to apple, then and variable y is equal to z, which is apple, and variable x is equal to y is equal to z is equal to apple. So all three x, y, and z will be getting one value, which will be apple. Got it? I hope you are with me till now. So first we gave x equal to y equal to z equal to, then we got orange, banana, cherry, then we got x comma y equal comma z equal to three values. We got those values. Make sure you are putting these values as per order. So x will be denoting to y, x will be denoting to Ram, y will be denoting to Shyam, and z will be denoting to Sita. And then I am putting all three variables equal to each other and putting one last variable equal to some value. And I got it. Done. So this was my way of putting multiple variables in one line. Okay. So let us discuss about multiple input strings using split. What I will do is, first I will make sure I'll comment these out. So here I have commented all these. Now let's see. So earlier what we used to do is x equal to, what we were doing is x equal to some input function, and in that input function I was saying give me the value of x, right? And I was printing the value which was x, sorry, it should be print, and I was executing it. Value of x is 2, got 2. Got it. Now if I want to make it integer, I'll simply write int function in front of it and put the entire stuff in brackets, and we'll execute it. Enter the value 3. So I got the now I got the integer. Okay, so this was the way earlier we used to do. Now I want to I want to assign multiple values. I want to take multiple input values. Okay, so here we have tried one thing, like x comma y comma z equal to Ram, Sham and Sita. I put x first, y second, z third. In that same order, I put the value of x, value of y, value of z. Can we do the same thing to take the input? Let's try x comma y comma z equal to. Now the thing was input. It will be value of x, then comma, again input, value of y, and then again comma, input, value of z. Okay, here I okay, and I will be printing x, y, and z. Print in bracket x, print in bracket y, and print in bracket z. Let's try it. See. Okay, wait 1 second. I don't want to execute it right now. I will be closing this first because there will be two accessors, and I'll try it. Stop and rerun. So it is asking for value of x, means this value. I gave it 1, value of y, I gave it 2, value of z, I gave it 3. Enter. I got 1, 2, 3. See, 1, 2, 3. When I printed it like that. Okay. Now, have you just see, like I've kept these x, y, z in some format or in a order. That is, x is first, second is y, third is z. Same thing, I took an input as x will be first, input of y will be second, and input of z will be third. Now if I do it like, if I put y over here, then it will show me input of x, input of y, input of z, but the values will be, the y will be having the value of z. Okay, so don't do this. Whatever you want, it should be in the same order. Okay, now I want an integer. I want all these to be integer. I want to print, say, x plus y plus z. I will print it right now. I'll do it like this. X is 1, y is 2, z is 3. Enter 1, 2, 3, which is not an answer. I want an integer over here. So what I'll do is I'll simply put an int over here and keep this entire stuff in brackets, then use an int over here, keep the entire stuff in brackets, then again an int over here. It's the same thing which we used to do when we have to take an int as an input. I'll execute it. The first value 2, enter 3, enter 4, 2, 3, 4, and value is 9. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so you might have got it right. I hope you are with me till now. Hmm. Now, is there any way that I don't want to write input for 3 or 4 times? What will I do? What can I do? Wait, I'll show you. Let me comment it out first. So I've commented all those above parameters. Now I have x comma y comma z. These three values, right? I want to take an input, but I don't want to write input for all three things. then what I'll do is I will simply say enter three values, and we have one function called split. That is a predefined function. So what I'll do is input three values. After the bracket I will put a dot, and you can see there are many functions came over here. I will use split. Okay, in that split I'll give nothing, but I want to print these. So let me print them down and remove this comment part. Okay, so I'll execute it. Let's see, enter three values. I give 1, 2 and 3. Enter. Oh my god, it is saying input will be three values dot split. Expected is three values but got one. That means what can I do? Okay, don't worry. See, three values means one. The second value will be splitted using only a space. Second space is like tab button on your keyboard. Then space, then three. Enter. You got three values, 1 2 3 and 1 2 3. If you want to write, you can write split the values using space. Okay, or what is the other way to split? Maybe I want to use a comma, then in double quotes I will write a comma in over here. Okay, so let's execute it and we'll see what happens. 1 comma 2 comma 3. So the split value is comma. As soon as it sees the comma, it will split it. Let me press enter and you will see 1 2 3 split it by comma. So these are the two ways. If you want to say like how do you want to split it, you can simply say split using what, uh, you can say simply using comma, right? Split using comma, three values, 1 comma 2 comma 3, 1 2 3. Okay, so that was today's topic. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. If you're not able to understand something, send do me a comment in the below comment sections, or you can send me a mail. Okay, fine for this video. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a nice day.